Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add subtitles to your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, if you have any pre-made subtitles which you just want to add into your video, all you have to do is go ahead and go into the File menu, go under Import and click on Subtitle, and select the Subtitle SRT file from your computer. As you can see, you have DFXP, MXF, SRT, TTML, VTT, and other formats which you can use, but I don't have any such subtitles. What you can also do is, if you have sound in your video, go into the edit page and go into the effects tab. From here you can select the text which you want. You have the left lower third, you have all of these static titles, you have these fusion titles which are animated, and you also have subtitles which you can add like this. You just drag them over and add them to the video, and you can then edit the subtitles as much as you want. You can edit the start time, the end time, and just add the subtitles which you want. For example, this is a subtitle, and just shorten it to the length of the video or even shorter. And now if I play, as you can see, the subtitles play like that, and that's literally it. You can do it with actual subtitles, you can do it with just text. If I add text to my videos like so, let me just elongate this added another subtitle track, but let me just elongate this and add the text above the video and just shorten it to the length of the video. Just put the text wherever you want on the screen, edit it in the inspector like so, subtitle here, and as you can see, if I go from the beginning of the video to the end, it is literally there as a subtitle. And that is pretty much it. It is very simple, it is easy to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.